Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to add a Ragdoll Death in Roblox Studio. So firstly, we'll open a Roblox Studios, then head to My Games. From here, we have to go into the game we want to add the Ragdoll animation into. So I'll head into this game. After the game loads properly, head to the toolbox section and select a model from here. In the search panel, type Ragdoll Death. From here you will find all the Ragdoll Death scripts that is available for Roblox. You can just select any one of them. So I'll just select this one. Then click on OK. Now we will, from the workspace section, right click on the Ragdoll script. Click on Cut. Then go to Starter Players. Then paste into Starter Character Scripts. Click Paste into. Here is the Ragdoll script that is being used. Now if we click on Play, we'll head into the game and test out the Ragdoll animation. So if I reset my character, which is essentially killing the character, you will see that he has a Ragdoll animation while dying. So that's how you can add a Ragdoll animation for your death animation in Roblox.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.